Okay, it's 5 o'clock someplace, right? I don't know about you, but after a long day, I pretty much need a drink. Let's be perfectly honest, it's a little bit stressful right now, and I've been enjoying some mojitos here or there, so I thought, hey, we've got a bunch of Mojito Mint, maybe we should give you a nice, so look at these beautiful Estabrook's grown herbs, this Mojito Mint. So we're gonna do a Mojito Mint that is made with blackberries today and some white rum. So you go to our online store, pick up some mint, come on back, and we're gonna take about 8 leaves. Okay, and the key with this is to crush them. So you slap them a couple times, put them down in the jar like so. Put a couple, 2 or 3 blackberries in there, and we're gonna muddle that just a little bit, okay? Again, getting all those essential oils out and whatnot. Okay, we're gonna muddle that up. Then we're gonna take 1.5 ounces of white rum. This is Captain Morgan's, one of my favorites. So 1.5 ounces, maybe a little more. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Stir that around just a little bit. Top with ice. A little soda water. Garnish with a nice fresh sprig of mint, like so, and away we go. You can use any other fruit. It doesn't have to be blackberries, but I can tell you this is fresh, it's beautiful, and it's essential. So think about ordering your mint at the online store at estabrooksonline.com/to-go. Salute.